Introduction, Basic Greetings in English. Hello! Welcome to our English Language Basics course. Today, we'll learn some basic greetings in English. Greetings are an important part of communication, and mastering them will help you feel more confident when interacting with English speakers. Section 1. Vocabulary. Let's start with some basic greetings vocabulary. Hello! Hi! Good morning? Good morning? Good afternoon? Good afternoon? Good evening? Good evening? Goodbye. Goodbye. How are you? I'm fine, thanks, and how are you? What's up? Good, good. See you later. Goodbye. Can you repeat these words with me? Hello. Hi. Good morning? Good morning? Good afternoon? Good afternoon? Good evening? Good evening? Goodbye. Goodbye. How are you? I'm fine, thanks, and how are you? What's up? Good, good. See you later. Goodbye. Section 2. Pronunciation. Now, let's practice pronunciation. Pay attention to how I say each word. Hello. 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 Hi. 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 Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Goodbye. 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 How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Can you practice with me? Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye. How are you? What's up? Section 3. Grammar and Usage. Now, let's learn how to use these greetings in sentences. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Is a formal way of greeting. Hi, what's up? Whereas, hi, what's up? Is informal. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Is a formal way of greeting. Goodbye. Whereas, goodbye, see you later, is informal. So when greeting someone, you can use both greetings in each case because they are accurate. Let's practice some conversations. Hello, how are you? Hi, what's up? Good morning, everyone. Goodbye. See you later. Let's practice some conversations. Respond to me when I ask these questions. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Good, good. What's up? Not much, just studying. Can you think of other situations where you might use these greetings? When you think of such situations, please respond in the comments below. Section 4. Cultural Tips. Here are some cultural tips to keep in mind. In formal situations, use hello or good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Afternoon, evening. With friends or in informal situations, use hi or hey. When parting ways, use goodbye or see you later. That's it for today's lesson. Remember to practice your greetings every day. Try to use them in conversations with native speakers or language exchange partners. Thanks for watching. Please support us by subscribing to our channel for more English lessons, and we'll see you in the next video.